Okay, bismillah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jagat Ristiwa, and today that I want to give you some tutorial videos about CCNP. First, let's read things about CCNP. What is CCNP is Cisco Certified Network Professional. It's better than CNA. If you want to follow this course, make sure that you already understand about CNA. Okay, back to the material. Now I wanna share some material to you about BGP. And if you know BGP, what is BGP? Is Border Gateway Protocol. It's like another routing protocol and you ordinary routing protocol, but it's like heavier than other routing protocol. And then this. What is BGP? I want to explain to you what is BGP. Like if you want to make OSPF, you should make ARIA. If you want to make JRP, you should make autonomous system. And if you want to make some BGP, you should have autonomous system either like AJRP. So BGP is like the routing protocol that you can combine like it's like the most the least layer that in routing protocol like you have OSPF, AJRP, distribute. BGP is like behind of it like how to use BGP and when do you use BGP. BGP is used when you have like big company or maybe massive network, maybe like difficult network. You should put the BGP because like usually some big company or maybe school or maybe service provider and they always use BGP. It's like this. Like I have many brands. Like I have the core of the brand. I have the core. I have brands. I have 5 brands, and either brands is different routing protocol how to combine it. Like A to B is use FPF, B to C is use RIP, C to D is use ARP, and how to combine all of it to make that is mine. That is mine. This is ours. So this this area this RSVF with ARIA, ARP with AS, RIP with normal one. So how to combine all of it with BGP? Okay. BGP how to pair it is very easy, but there is many kind of thing that you want to if you want to pair some BGP. But I will teach to you like I will share a bit about how to pairing with loopback. Yes, loopback, not slipback but loopback. Imagine that in router rate is oh, wait. This loopback is 111. It's very fast and easy, dude. This is BGP. BGP is like some difficult material, but I will share this BGP to become easy one. Imagine this is loopback 1 and 2. And usually when we want to pair something, like imagine this is in interface either 0.0 and 0.0. This one is 12.1, this one 12.2. Usually we use it, we pair it, use the closed gateway, the closed interface that was use it. It is 12.1, it is 12.2. We choose you wish if you want to pair from this to this, we should pair like 1 to 2, not 1 to look back, no, not 2 to look back, but how to pair it with look back. This this is very interesting material. I guess I guess like that. I hope like that. Hmm. What happened? What happened is wait. Wait a minute. Okay, done. Maybe little bit error usually in like normal. My God, switch! I forgot this switch. Maybe we should activate another. Stop. Use our my backup lab. This one. In this lab, the autonomous system is 1 2 3. Yeah. Okay. Done. Make sure start it. You can start it. Okay. After start, wait a minute. Okay. The first and the second. Router is like much longer. How to the booting process is much longer than switch. Because of that, we should have bit more patient when become routing engineer, of course. Maybe I will pause it and I will skip it maybe until this stop them booting. Yeah, okay, pause is already done. Okay, it's a little bit long, man. It takes tons of many minutes, so a minute. So first thing first, we should put the IP first. Enable configure terminal interface E0.0. No shutdown. First thing first, IP address 12.12.1 because we are get first router. Must 24. Okay. For that interface loopback 0. IP address 111 plus 32. Okay, nice. Done. Put some IP again. Enable configure terminal. Interface is 0.0. No shutdown. IP address 12.12.2 because one is already 24. Interface loopback. IP address 222. Okay, do right. Don't forget. First thing first, how to configure it with how to make the loopback become gateway is make the routing protocol first. We should combine them with one of many routing protocol, and now on I will use ARP. Okay, make the IS is one maybe IS 12 maybe router ARP 12. Okay, no auto summary network 12.12.12.0. Okay. Hmm. Yeah. One. Nice. Right. Got this B, man. Done. Done. Router AGRP 12 must be same autonomy system. No auto summary. NAT 12.12.12.0. Yes, just 24. Nice. Adjacency. Boom. Nah, okay. ARP is very fast conference because of that I like ARP. Do right. After that, we should enter the router BGP. Okay. The ISN is ISN is 125.23. The tree is router. How to configure this is like this. Router BGP like this. Like board, put the loopback. Like board remote AS 12 auto 3 done. Take board one remote take board one oh wait, I forgot router BGP 123 neighbor one remote AS 12 813 done. After that neighbor 2 update source loop interface loop back 0. Okay, do that same thing neighbor one update source loop back 0. Okay, is up it means that it's already good. How to make sure that it's work is like this. Add some interface loopback like interface loopback one maybe IP address 3333 and after that don't advertise it to ARP. Okay, interface loopback one IP address 444 same thing. Okay, after that the router one and enter to the router BGP. Advertise it in BGP network 333 mask like this. Router BGP network 5444 mask done. If you done to it, how to check it is do show IP route BGP. Come like this. See this 3333 first one. Do show IP route BGP. Done. Nah, it's done. It's done. You can say it's already work. Do show IP BGP summary. This work. This work. To show IP BGP summary. Okay, you can see this work, and this is one of the how to configure BGP with loopback by with become the gateway in neighbor. It's easy, right? BGP is easy. Maybe I'm sorry because the explanation is a bit not that much because this is like skipping the lab, but it's okay. I hope you guys understand it very well. Thank you very much for listening to my videos. I apologize if I say wrong. Thank you. Maybe a bit confusing, but I believe that it's not that confusing. But it's okay. Maybe that's all. Enjoy. Thank you for listening, guys. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.